Okay, we're on a mission to find some snow. And I think I'm going to go this way because I'm not going to slip and fall and break my leg. But this is like the first good snowfall, I guess, that you could say, that we've had this year. That you can actually see, sort of. But it's on top of like an inch of ice or something, so I didn't have any work today, so I'm sitting at home doing nothing, being a big slug. But I'm gonna tape the snow because I wanted to catch it before it went away and turned to sleeting stuff again. I'm gonna go down one more flight. Whew. It's a little cold. I don't know if you can really see this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to find my car in this mess. There's not a whole lot of ice between me and it. Let's see. So, wow, it's really pretty out here actually. And cold. Brr. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's pretty deep. In fact, there's my footsteps. This is so weird talking to myself. Okay. And it's really wet too. Ugh, like a face full of snow. Yeah. That's a lot of snow. My car is this white cobalt over here. And I scraped the windows earlier so that they wouldn't get all gross and I would have to like scrape even more tomorrow. But that's it's pretty deep. And I don't have my keys, so I doubt I can get it and eat it anyway. But there's not a lot of ice underneath it. That's pretty good. But look how pretty it is. We'll probably not have this again for a while. It'll just be all gross ice crap. Ooh. My apartment building. And there's a car. That's pretty brave. And a truck. And that's like the only two cars I've seen in a while. Yeah, this is deep. Pretty awesome. First real snowfall of the year.